welcome to my channel Bronze Beauty Diaries. It's been so long that I sat and filmed a video. I went for a Himalayan trek, and even though I pre-filmed it, pre-shot it, but because there was no network there, I couldn't just publish it. I really apologize for being MIA, and now that I'm back, I'm starting to recover. I am gonna constantly film and then be regular. And also I would like to say that I am a super not tan, I am sunburnt. That's the reason if I'm looking a little ashy around my mouth or anywhere in my face, there's a quite discoloration between my face and my neck and my chest. ऊपर बहुत ज़्यादा UV ray strong रहता है. Even after like constant application of sunscreen, it didn't work. So that's the reason. The only lipstick that suited me is this one, the red lipstick. बाकी कोई भी lipstick मुझे suit नहीं कर रहा है. And none of the base products are working. Even the darker color concealer is quite light for me right now. So I'm absolutely not applying makeup. Makeup लगाए मुझे almost 20 दिन हो गया. This is the first time I applied little bit of concealer and a lipstick. With that put aside, let's dive into today's video. This video is gonna be the products that I regret buying. I've already done one in the past and you guys have showed so much of love and support. If you guys haven't watched that video, I'm gonna link that video in the description box below. That video is quite helpful. Again, I'm back with certain products because I keep trying out new products, and if they don't work out, I would like to share it with you guys so that you guys don't have to waste your hard-earned money. I've already wasted mine. Some of the products I'm trying to make it use. Some of the products absolutely didn't work. It probably I have to throw them out. So now without further ado, let's quickly dive into the video. First product which was super hyped and it went viral and how is this one from Hyphen. This is the lip balm. उनके शायद पहले 3 lip balm variants launch हुए थे. एक SPF था, एक vanilla और एक peach था शायद. तो I purchased the SPF one, and this is the All I Need Lip Screen SPF 30. It has vitamin C, vitamin E, kojic acid and avocado oil, and this is from the Kriti Sanon's brand, which is the Hyphen. So ये प्रोडक्ट इतना ज़्यादा वायरल हुआ था. जब मैंने इसको परचेज किया था, आई थिंक आई इवन told you guys that this is not worth for the money because it's for 399 rupees. Hardly इसमें offer चलता है, and it's only 10 gram of product. If I'm not wrong, yeah, it's only 10 gram of product which I would finish in like no time if I use it constantly. But that's not the problem. Even if it's like overpriced, if it performed very nice, I would have been really happy. So this lip balm, I took it for my Himalayan trek. I'm not gonna bash the product because it didn't work for me there, but I would just like to share my personal opinion. Took this for my Himalayan trek and along with a lip oil because obviously तो makeup तो नहीं लगा सकते. You were like, our skin was peeling, the temperature was freezing there, so we were constantly applying lip balm, like every one of us from the group. So this one I got it because this had SPF 30. So I thought कि okay, SPF protection भी मुझे मिल जाएगा, but this absolutely didn't work for me. I don't know whether you guys can see or not. ये इतना ही बचा है. मैंने इसको पूरा यूज़ किया because we were applying constantly every half an hour. बिकॉज ये बिल्कुल भी सर्वाइव नहीं करा. आई मीन मैं इसको लगाते ही इमीडिएटली अच्छा लगता है, लेकिन विद इन 10-20 मिनट्स ये अब पूरा वैनिश हो रहा था एंड इट यूज टू बिकम ड्राई. इसका लिप बाम जो है वो पूरा एक फिल्म जैसा बन के बैठता था एंड उसको अगर रगड़े तो इट यूज टू पील ऑफ. आई होप यू गाइस अंडरस्टैंड. Basically, bottom line, what I'm trying to say is it didn't work for the winters. Like if it didn't work for that temperature, I'm sure people living in cold atmosphere or northern countries, it's northern states, I don't think it's gonna work. It works nicely for the Mumbai weather, but come on, I mean, when you launch a brand, when you launch a product from the brand, you try to cater to everyone across the country or across a lot of people. So this absolutely didn't work for me there. The temperature was fluctuating somewhere between, I would say, 0 to 15 degrees Celsius, and it even didn't work for me during the maximum temperature. Forget about the minimum temperature. So and रहा सवाल इसका SPF का कुछ काम नहीं किया. Our lips turned completely black. मेरा lips पूरा black हो चुका है. Even like it's so patchy right now. It looks so bad right now. I'm trying to heal it. This is the first time I've put lipstick in the past 20 days. I've stopped applying any makeup and lipstick for even my work. And yeah, I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna just try to heal it and then probably start applying lipstick because बहुत ज़्यादा हालत ख़राब हो चुका है and this lip balm absolutely didn't work it. So probably I'm not gonna repurchase it and I also regret buying it. इससे अच्छा मैं अगर कोई Laneige का lip balm लेके जाती तो शायद इतना problem नहीं होता जितना अभी हुआ है. I trusted this lip balm because it had SPF and because of all the hype, and it's my mistake I took this, so it's a no from me. Then the next product is again a lip balm. Guys, I'm really sorry if you guys love this lip balm. Please don't come at me for saying that this product didn't work for me, but sadly this product didn't work for me. So this is from the Wishcare. और ये प्रोडक्ट भी इतना वायरल हुआ है. एवरी इन्फ्लुएंसर इज टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस प्रोडक्ट राइट नाउ. आई डोंट नो व्हाई, whether it's paid promotion, whether they're getting paid for it, I have no idea. And I absolutely didn't like it. Thank God I didn't take it because I got this delivered right on time and I used it for like couple of days before I like started my journey. So I didn't take it. Again, why the reason why I was battling between these two lip balms is because this also has SPF. So I wanted a lip balm which had SPF, right? So because I know this is gonna happen, so this is not my first trek, so I know this is gonna happen. So that's the reason I purchased this, because this has SPF 50 and it also leaves a little bit of tint. I'm not sure, but I think I'll like show you the application as well if I manage to put this lip balm. I don't know whether मेरे pigmented lips में भी कुछ भी tint दिखने वाला है, but nevertheless if I try it on, then I will insert the clip into the video as well. So this is from the Wishcare brand. This is a ceramide lip balm tinted. It has ceramides, kojic acid, niacinamide and watermelon, and it says it lightens and protects. It has SPF 50 and PA triple+. So that's the mouthful of claims. Again, you guys can see मैंने इसको यूज किया है और मैं अभी भी यूज कर रही हूँ. मुंबई के वेदर के लिए it's okay, but the problem is the hype that it received. There are like lot of lip balms which are like way better than this. I don't know, मेरा हाथ भी बहुत tanned है, so I don't know whether you guys will be able to see the tint. So I think you guys can see a little bit of pink tint, and it also has a little bit of smell to it, the watermelon, which is kind of disturbing for me. I don't want my lip balms to have like a lot of smell and it lingering on for a lot of time. It's annoying, to be honest. And that is not the only reason. Forget about the smell, forget about the tint, etc. I think it comes in two variants. One is the clear one and one is this one. This lip balm is very waxy for its application. और ये इतना मतलब Laneige lip balm is how it's like very thick and it sits on your, it feels heavy and it sits on your lips, but it heals your lips. Like it's like the best lip balm out there for me. I love Laneige lip balm and I finished like tubs and tubs. बिकॉज बैक इन द डेज इतने ज़्यादा लिप बाम की वैरायटी भी नहीं थे. अभी तो खैर हर ब्रांड लिप बाम लॉन्च कर रहा है, Laneige का ट्यूब्स निकल रहा है. बट एनी वेज दिस लिप बाम इज़ वेरी वैक्सी. Either lip balm should be very thin and very nice to spread. The spreadability should be very good and it should really work. This lip balm is waxy and it feels like you have to keep going over and over again. For Mumbai's weather अगर ये है तो अगर कोल्ड क्लाइमेट में जो रहते हैं उनको तो ये काम ही नहीं करता होगा, बिकॉज इट्स गोना डेफिनेटली सॉलिडिफाई लिटिल बिट एंड इट्स नॉट गोना सर्व द पर्पस ऑफ बीइंग अ लिप बाम. इसको मुंबई के वेदर में काफ़ी बार मुझे रगड़ना पड़ता है and still after that I get little bit of like product on my lips and it doesn't do the job of lip balm. It doesn't hydrate my lip balm. It doesn't do any of the claims basically what it's saying. Like it doesn't do anything that a lip balm is supposed to do. So if you have a dry, chapped, flaky lips, इसको रगड़ते रगड़ते वो तो और आपका lips chapped और flaky होने वाला है. So I really hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say. It didn't work for me for Mumbai's weather. I'm not sure where this lip balm is gonna work. Maybe extremely tropical and hot weather, probably it might work, but I don't want to use a separate lip balm for separate weather and separate city. I'm not gonna repurchase this lip balm. And mind you, ये भी इतना ज़्यादा inexpensive नहीं था. Even this was expensive, and because it's so viral, this product is almost never on sale. So I regret purchasing this. Next product is gonna be from the house of Cuffs and Lashes. I'm sorry again if these products are your favorite, but I have personally have had a very bad experience with Cuffs and Lashes. Like for the longest time I kept trying different products and none of the products worked out for me. I don't know whether it's only me who is not liking the formulation or the products, but I have known people raving and loving the product Cuffs and Lashes. There is no personal hate towards the content creator. I love Nidhi Katiyar. I have been hooked on to her videos and I've been watching her videos since years and years, maybe probably from the time she started. I love her. I love her videos, her recommendations, etc. But sadly, Cuffs and Lashes के कोई products मुझ पे काम नहीं किए. So this are the brushes that I am talking about. I am using it. I'm not gonna throw it. मैं इसको use कर रही हूँ. मैं इसको काफ़ी use कर रही हूँ. In fact, every makeup tutorial में मैं use कर रही हूँ. Every time I do my makeup, I'm using this. I'm not saying I have to throw them, but what I'm trying to say is there are a lot of other brushes which perform so good, like Mars brushes, with beauty brushes. They perform top notch. When I initially got it, I was really happy because of the size and shape. Both of them are like concealer brushes. This is the Cuffs and Lashes Deep Angled Foundation Brush, and this is in the variant F013. And I liked it because of the shape and everything. I was super intrigued. And this one is the small concealer brush. This is perfect for your inner corner and the under eye concealer. This is in the variant F019. So both of them are shaped very similarly, but you guys can see it's very small and it tapers down. It's very nice for your like under eye, and this is very good for your foundation. The problem is I have already used one or two more brushes from Cuffs and Lashes, and I threw them because it didn't work for me. One was a very small concealer brush. I got it because Nidhi Katiyar was again raving about it, so I got it. And then for the longest time, like for 2 years, 3 years, constantly tried to use it. It didn't work out for me. I just threw it. And then I purchased this because these were like fairly her new launch. Guys, the bristles are not soft. That's the only problem. जब मैंने इसको starting में use करना शुरू किया, I was like, I liked it very much. I was like constantly using it. फिर बीच में मेरा skin थोड़ा react करने लगा, where I had like little bit of bumps and little bit of acne going on. जब मैंने उसको तब use किया, तब मुझे समझा कि it's hurting me. You're already having painful zits, और उसके ऊपर मैं जब product use करती हूँ या stipple करती हूँ, it was really hurting me, which was causing more reaction. So then I realized that these brushes are not soft to touch. Like I have used very softer brushes than this, like Mars Cosmetics का brushes कभी मुझे painful नहीं लगा. I use them constantly, but ye brushes, even under eye areas are like quite delicate. You don't want to poke yourself or like irritate that skin because those area is very sensitive and very thin. So it's a strict no. Both these brushes are like very, I mean हाथ में चलता है, लेकिन face में अगर मैं करूँ तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा painful है. Basically what I'm trying to say is these are not the softer brushes that I've used. So no, I think I'm like done with all the brushes now. I'm not gonna purchase any brushes from Cuffs and Lashes again because sadly it didn't work out for me. And this product is like, I'm really supremely like heartbroken to say this and include these brushes in my product regret buying, but it is what it is. I'll be using it. I'm not gonna throw it because it's काफी pricey था ये. So that's that. Then the next product is from the Staze Cosmetics. I'm gonna make a separate video on Staze Cosmetics. I've purchased like 3 products on your recommendation to review you guys, but ये particular product मुझे इसमें include करना था because बाकी के 2 product I know I'll make it work even though I didn't enjoy it. This is the Staze 929 All Eyes on You Smudge Proof Waterproof Kajal, and it says it's 24 hours. It comes in very retractable from packaging. I really like that, and it's quite dark as well. It's quite pigmented. I really like makhan ki tarah slide hota and everything. It's really a good kajal if you guys want to use it for smoky eyes and purpose, because it smudges very nicely. Even smoky eyeliner, if you guys want to do it, it's gonna work very nicely. But the problem is it's not smudge proof and it's not waterproof. Label it as smudge proof and waterproof, and people were like again raving about it like it's a very long lasting kajal. No, अगर आपने हल्का सा भी इसको रब किया ना तो ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा स्मज हो जाता है. वाटरप्रूफ तो ये है ही नहीं. लाइक रेनी सीजन में ऑल्सो आई टेस्टेड इट आउट. नो, आई मीन ये ऑलरेडी आपके स्वेट से ही स्मज होता है, तो वाटरप्रूफ कहाँ का होगा. वाटर रेजिस्टेंट भी नहीं है ये. इसी तो बेटर है वो लैक्मे का जो इंस्टा लाइनर आता है, दैट इज लाइक क्वाइट वाटर रेजिस्टेंट. सो आई एम गोना लेट इट सिट फॉर सम टाइम एंड देन आई विल शो यू हाउ इट स्मजेस, क्योंकि अभी तो मैंने फ्रेश एप्लीकेशन किया. अभी मैं स्मज करने की कोशिश करूँगी तो 100% स्मज होने वाला है. आई रिग्रेट बाइंग it, so that's that. But I'll definitely use it to like smoke out my lower lashes or upper lashes, or even for smoky eyeshadow look I'll definitely use this. Then the next product is from Pilgrim. This is the Squalene Glow Moisturizer, which has niacinamide and vitamin C, no artificial fragrance. Okay, anyways, और थोड़ा सा product बचा है. As you guys know, I don't like to waste my product, but ये product भी काफ़ी viral चला था. Many dry skin people have been raving about this product, so it's my mistake. Actually, I belong to combination skin. I shouldn't have gotten this, but this is comedogenic. So I don't know whether it has like a lot of fragrance, but it says no artificial fragrance. I don't know why they market as no artificial fragrance, but ये तो डब्बा खोलते इट्स लाइक परफ्यूमी फ्रेग्रेंस इट हैज़. बट ठीक है, आई मीन as you guys know, I don't mind fragrance in my skincare and makeup. I like a little bit of fragrance but not this much. I don't know whether my skin reacted to its fragrance or to Squalene. It is comedogenic, and Squalene in general I don't think it goes very well with oily skin people because it is comedogenic. So that's the reason it didn't work out for me. I tried it multiple times on my face. Every time I got little bumps and even I broke out. Then I did a little bit of research. I spoke to my dermat friends and everything, and I found out that Squalene is comedogenic and it's better I stay away, being a combination oily or acne prone skin. But this product in general, it didn't work out for me. You guys let me know, have you guys used any other Squalene based products and it worked out for you? If you are an oily and acne prone skin person, definitely like to try that out because Squalene is supposed to do wonders for your skin. But as of now, I try to use this product as my hand cream and feet cream during my work, so I carry this in my work bag. And as you guys can see, like I've already finished it. थोड़ा सा बचा है, मैं इसको खत्म कर दूँगी, waste तो नहीं करूँगी, because for your elbows and for your knuckles it works beautifully because it's very moisturizing. Product is from the house of Plum Body Loving. I'm not sure whether this product is still available or it's discontinued, but जो भी है, this is the deodorizing pit cream and this is in the variant Tripping Mimosa. I love Tripping Mimosa as a range. Even इसका भी जो fragrance है बहुत ही अच्छा है. This is a pit cream that they had launched and I tried to use it, guys. It's expired. Still I tried to use it, but sadly no, I cannot use it anymore. I know I don't waste any products, but this is like too cumbersome to use. So for that reason I like stopped using it. और ये expire हो चुका है, तो probably I'm gonna throw it. Yeah, ये January में ही expire हो गया है. अभी तक मैं क्यों use कर रही थी, I don't know. The problem, it still smells good. It smells exactly like Tripping Mimosa. The problem is it's so inconvenient to use. First of all, you have to dig your finger, और ये जब भी आप finger पे करते हो तो nails के अंदर चले जाते हैं. Even if you don't have nails, you have to like take it and put it under your arm, massage it. Nobody got that much of time. And second thing is, if you have to reapply, तो आपके पास already पसीना है and under your arms, and then you are like reapplying it with the pasina. It's very cumbersome. It's not safe as well. It's not like very hygienic. First of all, you're digging your nails and your this thing constantly inside, and then reapplication तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं होने वाला है. And it's all messy. It gets transferred to your whatever clothes that you're wearing. It doesn't get absorbed. It kind of sits as a film. So I think that's the reason they discontinued. I'm not sure whether it's still available or not, but yeah, this deodorizing pit cream is just not a thing that you can use it very friendly. So that's the reason I didn't use it. So even if it's available of any other company comes with this kind of a product, I'm not gonna repurchase this because I know it's not gonna work for me. So the next product is from Aqualogica. This is the Glow Plus Wipe It All Hydrating Cleansing Balm. This is the 50-gram quantity. I think I've already like shown this product that it didn't work for me, but again I had to include it. अगर मैं इसको product regret buying में include नहीं करूँगी तो और किस में include करूँगी? You can see the डब्बा के बाहर भी ये सब oily आ रहा है. This product is very oily, you guys. Like मैंने इसको काफ़ी यूज़ किया है, but अभी काफ़ी टाइम से यूज़ नहीं किया because since the time I've started breaking out, I stopped using this product. I feel this product must be comedogenic as well. बहुत ही ज़्यादा oily है you guys. I mean, अब you can see like the entire product डब्बा is like filled with oil. Even though ये product बंद था और upright था. Oily skin people are gonna hate this. I mean, ये cleansing balm है, इतना hydration की इसमें क्या ज़रूरत है? But oh my god, you guys can see मेरा पूरा palm oily हो गया. It removes all the makeup, I'm not gonna lie. It removes all the waterproof makeup very nicely, but it's so oily. Like it leaves a film of oil. Like you have to go like over at least like twice or thrice with your face wash. Then only it removes that oil. Like makeup तो निकल जाता है, but इसको निकालने के लिए तुमको कम से कम 2 बार face wash लगाना पड़ता है. Who has the time and who has the energy? And why would you sensitize your skin? So it's sadly no, I don't see many people talking about this. Probably ये जैसा आया था वो वैसा ही चला गया. It didn't go much viral. I don't see many people talking about this. Probably it didn't work out for them as well. I regret buying. This is from Dermaco. This is the Salicylate Anti-Acne Serum, which has 2% salicylic acid and 5% niacinamide. Guys, I love Dermaco products. Every product like that I've tried from Dermaco have worked out for me, but sadly this didn't. I tried it multiple times. I'm not gonna say खत्म कर दिया मैंने, but I might have tried like 5-6 times at different occasions, different weeks, just to test this product out whether this is the one which is causing me breaking out. And I found out this is the product which was breaking me out. So this has like niacinamide and salicylic acid. और Dermaco के मैंने दोनों भी 2% salicylic acid भी यूज़ किया है और मैंने niacinamide in fact 10% भी यूज़ किया है, which separately never broke me out. But I don't know whether these formulations together is the one which is causing me breakout. To be honest, salicylic acid और niacinamide मैंने कभी साथ में ही pair up नहीं किया है. If I'm using salicylic acid at the daytime, I used to use niacinamide serum at the night time. So मैंने कभी दोनों serum साथ में नहीं किए. And if you see, this has 2% salicylic acid जितना मैं serum में भी है, and 5% niacinamide, which is like a lesser quantity than the one niacinamide that I use. बट इन दोनों का फॉर्मुलेशन में प्रॉब्लम है कि दोनों का कंपैटिबिलिटी इशू है. आई डोंट नो, बट दीज प्रोडक्ट्स इन टुगेदर डिडंट वर्क आउट फॉर मी. इट ब्रोक मी आउट. इट स्ट्रेट अप ब्रोक मी आउट. बट द टेक्सचर एंड ऑल इज़ वेरी नाइस. इज़ वेरी लाइट वेट. ऑयली स्किन के लिए काफ़ी अच्छा है. बहुत जल्दी एब्जॉर्ब हो जाता है. एवरीथिंग इज़ गुड. But this formulation, it didn't work out for me. It breaks me out and everything. So मैंने इसको अभी तक यूज़ ही नहीं किया है. I don't know, but I don't want to waste it. I'll probably see if any of my friends like this formulation, probably dry skin person. If it works for them, I'll probably give this away because मेरे को तो हिम्मत नहीं है उसको वापस फेस में लगाने की. So sadly, Dermaco का ये product didn't work out for me. Next product is from Mars. This is the lip mist. इसका ज़्यादा मेरे पास है नहीं because I bought this product way back. और जब ये launch हुआ था, immediately this shade in particular got so viral. This is 03 Sure Why Not. The shade name is Sure Why Not. This is the shade 03. Do you guys remember this product was launched like maybe 1-1.5 साल हो गया इसको. And once they launched, they got viral for a very brief period and then फिर ये चला गया था. That was a time when people were launching lip tints, cheek tints. पहले इतना कुछ था नहीं, सिर्फ फेस शॉप का लिप टिंट था, लिप एंड चीक टिंट था. एंड देन स्लोली अदर ब्रांड स्टार्टेड रिलीजिंग इट. एंड दिस इज द प्रोडक्ट. मैंने भी इमीडिएटली परचेज किया और मैंने जब से परचेज किया तब से मैं इसको यूज़ करने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ. आई जस्ट कैन नॉट मेक दिस वर्क. The first of all, the problem is, okay, the shade is nude, so I thought I can use it every day for my gym and etc. So let me show you here. अभी तो ये शेड मुझ पे बिल्कुल सूट नहीं करेगा. I'll show the application. I'm not sure whether this shade is gonna suit me now because I'm supremely sunburnt. So but still I'll apply it and insert a clip. If don't judge the color how it looks on me right now, otherwise this shade was suiting me very nicely when I got it, like up until 2 weeks back. तो शेड काफ़ी अच्छा है, इसलिए I got it. It's gonna suit across skin type. That's the reason I got it. But the problem is it doesn't stay. It doesn't stain your lips. It doesn't stay for long as well. And it has a very weird sweet taste. मतलब ये lips के अंदर जैसे मतलब ये if it goes into your mouth and it tastes very bad, so I feel like removing it instantaneously. बहुत ही ज़्यादा गंदा है. And another thing is it doesn't dry out. It's not gonna dry to a complete matte. Like ये skin पे ये हाथ पे जो swatch किया है, it kind of settles down to a semi matte sort of a situation, but lips पे तो it doesn't dry out at all. So the lip mist or the lipstick or whatever, it just sits on your lips. At the same time, it doesn't stain your lips. It doesn't perform like a lipstick. It doesn't perform like a lip stain. And थोड़ी देर अगर आपने बहुत ही carefully रखा है उसको, like you're not pressing your lips, you're not pursing your lips, you're not like talking too much or sipping water or whatever. थोड़ी देर के बाद, like say 45 minutes, 1 घंटे के बाद, it kind of starts crumbling. Like it starts settling into the fine lines, it starts crumbling, and then again you have that weird taste. You feel like constantly removing it because it's sweet and it tastes very bad. It doesn't, the smell is okay, it smells like caramel, but it tastes so bad. It tastes sweet as if like they've put sugar in it. It's a total fail for me. I don't know how to use this. I've tried layering it on lipstick, lip gloss, whatever. It doesn't go well with any other formulations as well. So उसके बाद तो मैंने इसको यूज़ नहीं किया. I'm not sure whether this lips range is still available or they have discontinued. बहुत टाइम से मैंने इसको देखा नहीं मॉस के वेबसाइट में. So sadly this product didn't work out for me. If it's still available, I would say you can skip it. There are like a lot of other launches in the market which performs way better than this. And the next product is gonna be a shocker for you guys as well. This is from the Inside Cosmetics On The Go Blush Stick. This is a very new launch. I featured this in my Nykaa haul, I think. So the product in itself is quite good, I'm not gonna deny. It blends very nicely. However, I cannot comment on the longevity of this product. ये मैंने ऑफर में लिया था. It was like quite inexpensive, and this product has gone viral again. Many of the influencers have been raving about this, but my mistake is I picked up the shade Nude Play. इसमें 2 न्यूड शेड्स था, एक पीच था, एक ये था. तो आई थॉट probably this would work for me. Peach तो it definitely wouldn't have worked, so I thought this would work, but sadly it didn't work. If I had gotten another darker shade, probably I would have enjoyed it, but now that it didn't work for me, I'm not gonna repurchase a new shade. So the packaging and all is really cute. You guys can see it's so cute, a plastic tube. It comes with this protective cap as well, and you guys can see मैंने इसको use किया है, करने की कोशिश की है, but this shade in particular doesn't show up on me. So oh my god guys, ये ऐसा नहीं दिखता है. I'm sorry, my hand is sunburnt, my skin is peeling. But this is not how it used to look. It's looking very bad right now. Of course it's gonna wash me out, but मैं ये product अभी test करके नहीं बता रही हूँ that it didn't work for me. It didn't work for me even before I had gone for my Himalayan trek, even before I had sunburned. So this product I've used it multiple times, and ये cheeks पे तो दिखता ही नहीं है मेरे. मतलब मैं कितना भी apply कर लूँ. Usually it so happens that if a blush shade is lighter, if you keep layering, it finally shows up on your skin. But for me, इसको कितनी बार भी मैं रगड़ लूँ, ये दिखता ही नहीं है. Otherwise the blendability is also all very nice, I would say. Like it blends very nicely. But someone from fair skin probably can enjoy this product. This color in particular didn't work for me. And also इसके blendability को देख के मुझे लगता है कि probably it might not be long lasting. I'm not sure, correct me if I'm wrong. If you guys have used this product from another shade and if you guys liked it, it's my mistake that I purchased this shade. Even today I have this layered on some other blush, but आज भी कुछ दिख नहीं रहा ये. It just vanishes. So because it vanishes so quickly, it kind of makes me feel that it might not be long lasting. I don't know, you guys let me know. So that's that. Then the last product is again a shade mismatch. This is from the Swiss Beauty Matte Lip Ultra Smooth Matte Liquid Lipstick. And this product I got it for free, and I am in the shade 23 Iconic Nude. I got this shade for free. ये shade बहुत ही ज़्यादा bright है you guys, so sadly like इसको मैं mix match भी नहीं कर सकती हूँ. Nykaa, why you do that? Why you have to give a shade like this every time? You're disappointing people. Shop from you just so that you get freebies and you end up giving such shade for a person like me. This is a very bright peachy orange lipstick. इसको mix match भी नहीं कर सकते because it's so bright that कोई भी lipstick आप इसमें लगा लो, it's still gonna end up looking bright. So yeah, I mean the formulation wise again I cannot comment because इसको मैं ज़्यादा time तक लगा के रख ही नहीं पाई because it doesn't suit me. So anyways, that is a no. I'm gonna stay away from this range. I have been speaking for more than 30 minutes, so let's test this kajal out whether it smudges or not. So yeah, I'm just gonna lightly do it. You guys can see it smudges. इसको काफ़ी 30 minutes के ऊपर हो गया है ये काजल लगाए हुए, and as I promised that I'm gonna show you whether it smudges or not, and it clearly smudges. और इस पे तो कोई oil नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है. I haven't even applied a moisturizer on my hand, so there's no oil base. There was a dry base going on, and you guys can see it smudges. So eyelids पे तो ये बहुत ही जल्दी smudge होता है. Like even if you don't rub your eyes, even if you don't have an habit of constantly like touching your eyelids, it's still gonna smudge with the help of your blinking and everything. It still smudges. So waterproof तो ये है ही नहीं, so I'm not gonna waste my time showing you. I'm just saying it's not waterproof. If you guys have been looking out for a waterproof smudge proof kajal, this is not the one. So with that we come to the end of the video. I hope you guys liked this video and found it helpful. Let me know in the comment section below if any of these products that I've showed you have worked out beautifully for you, or if it did. I would like to know whether you guys have same thought process. So now without blabbering further, I'd like to take off. I'll see you in the next video. Ta-da, bye bye.